Wangchuk's wife has now moved the Supreme Court. Details have come in. She has challenged Sonam Wangchuk's arrest and has questioned the slapping of the NSA against him. Remember, Sonam Wangchuk has been arrested and charged under NSA on the 27th of September. His wife had also sent a letter to Prime Minister Modi as well as the Home Minister as well, calling for the unconditional release of Sonam Wangchuk, whom she described as a peaceful Gandhian protester agitating for climate change and the upliftment of the backward tribal belt, going on to say that the arrest is unwarranted. Legal editor Harish Rai joins us on the broadcast with the details. Harish, after writing a letter to the Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister, Sonam Wangchuk's wife has approached the Supreme Court. What are the details of her petition? Okay, all right. We'll go back to Harish in just a moment. Harish, in fact, has the details of the petition that she has filed with the Supreme Court, approaching the Supreme Court and going on to say that NSA should not be slapped on him. Remember, the Ladakh police had arrested the activist Sonam Wangchuk on the 27th of September and had charged him under NSA with inciting violent unrest, among other offences. The administration has continued its crackdown on what it calls a conspiracy to throw the Union Territory into turmoil. Now, this was after the violent protest that Sonam Wangchuk was taken into custody. This was over the demand for the extension of protections under the 6th schedule and statehood to Ladakh. Harish is back with us. Harish, what are the details? Sonam Wangchuk's wife now approaching the Supreme Court.
Yes, that's right. Sonam Wangchuk's wife has moved the Supreme Court, has challenged Wangchuk's arrest and questioned the slapping of the NSA. Wangchuk has been, remember, arrested and charged under NSA on September 27, that is Friday. She has said that she is yet to get a copy of the detention order, and as per the NSA Act, an accused is entitled to get the detention order within 5 days. Otherwise, the arrest is illegal. She also says that she has no contact with Sonam Wangchuk as yet. And remember, Pratibha, Ladakh police had arrested activist Sonam Wangchuk on September 27 and charged him with NSA under NSA with inciting violent unrest, among other offences, as the administration continued its crackdown on what it termed a conspiracy to throw the Union Territory into turmoil. So he has been in jail since the last Friday, and now and also remember recently Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav had called the press conference in his support and had said that decision to move the Supreme Court challenging arrest and slapping of NSA will be taken later. First, we are waiting the detention order. As per the rules, it has to be given within 5 days. They had also questioned the Home Ministry cancelling the FCRA certificate of Sonam Wangchuk's NGO and also cancellation of license, land allotment to his learning institute as totally illegal and malified. They also said that there's no evidence against Sonam Wangchuk. If he is standing on road physically instigating violence, inciting violence, there should have been at least one video of it, and they have demanded immediate release of Sonam Wangchuk and scrapping of the NSA, in fact, invocation of the NSA. So it's a big move coming in. He had been arrested on September 27. Now his wife, Geetanjali Angmo, has moved to the Supreme Court challenging invocation of NSA.
Supreme Court takes up the issue of Sonam Wangchuk's wife going on to say that this is nothing but witch hunt. Harish, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.